To acquire one of these needs a capital outlay. I'm going to show you an alternative to this. Yes, and for those that thought I could not speak English, this one is going to be in English. You know, watering plants, specifically when they are seedlings, you want a very fine spray. But to acquire one of these needs a capital outlay. And because what I do, I want to show how you can reuse, reduce and recycle and use waste material. I'm going to show you an alternative to this. And what you need is a 2-liter bottle and a pin. Now the pin I've set onto the vice grip. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to make holes into the bottle, and effectively, if it works, once I turn it over, I'd be able to spray a very fine spray of water. And these bottles, you find them anywhere on the waste dump. Just go look in your kitchen. You tend to want to find them lying around there as well. Right.